That's what I got out of it.
What is that?
Oh, getting close. He looks a little bit like Hannibal Lecter.
He does. Oh my gosh.
Just one sound. Jason would have fun with this.
Wrong. I mean, I can see where it's going.
Oh,
Yeah, okay,
it
so.
hurt.
Close. You're getting close.
That just hurt.
Oh.
You should change later,
Oh, that'll be the next
That's
Sunday
just
morning.
Weird. Like, it would take me a
instrument.
while to figure out how to get control of that, though.
though. Yeah.
It's making your nose point up like this, like it.